Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a brief reading or intuitive insight into the East Palestine train derailment and chemical spill that occurred last month, February 3rd, 2023. It has been all over the news and I've been following it. Just didn't plan on doing an actual reading, but since I am from Ohio, I live about an hour and 10 minutes from East Palestine. So it is concerning when I hear about, the lack of seriousness, lack of concern for the residents in the area who are experiencing symptoms from the chemicals that exploded and that were out in the air. Okay, so this Norfolk Southern freight train was carrying 38 cars. Okay, there was a derailment. They were carrying hazardous materials. And I don't know. When you put these things out in the air, they're going to affect you. They're going to affect, you're breathing in these chemicals. They're going into the soil, okay, into the water systems. I don't know. It seems like the government responds to these type of, I would say, catastrophic events. I don't know. It's not taken seriously, and it's real sad because you have wildlife, plants that have been perished, fish, animals, people dying because of the chemicals in the water, in the rivers, in the ponds. And of course, now, there's reactions, there's things allegedly being done. Okay, but I don't know. I just want to look and see what the cards will show. I have my own personal feelings about it. I'm not going to go into detail about that, but you all know I don't do a lot of readings of this caliber, but the COVID-19, I did a couple readings on that. And I do feel like this is a bunch of BS, okay? This is nothing new. I feel like the people in control, I would say, they don't care about others. They don't care about people that are working people. You could say low income. It doesn't matter. We're all one, but our safety, our care, our health is not of importance. It appears to seem that way. So let's take a look and see what the cards have to say. Okay, so I'm going to pull a few cards here. I'm going to start with my Starseed Footsteps Oracle deck, just to look at the overall energy surrounding this case, okay? All right, Spirit, thank you so much. Archangels, Spirit guides. I want to look into the energy surrounding the East Palestine train derailment. Just overall energy in regards to that. We got one card. Two more cards, please, Spirit. Oh, okay. So, right off the bat, I'm feeling some type of way with this 2 choices here. See a path. So I know there's talking about some type of bearing that overheated that caused the train derailment. I guess that's one of the supposed reasons why the train derailed, but I'm going to look a little bit more deeper than that there. We have this choice. I'm not saying that this train derailment was a plan, but I do feel that something let me, when you have 2 choices here to come out, this is some type of manipulation here, okay? Yeah, okay, one of the bearings overheated because why? I feel like this is saying, okay, was this really an accident? I don't feel that way. But because lack of maintenance, negligence is involved in why this train derailed, okay? Negligence. I'm hearing a lack of maintenance being done. Now, was this done on purpose? Could be, could not have been, but yeah. Negligence that we have that caused heartbreak, okay? Caused anguish. You know, people's livelihoods have been turned upside down. I'm hearing that people having headaches, people are coming up with rashes on their bodies. I mean, come on. What is this psychic attack here? So, someone not mentally sound. Someone not mentally sound. These 2 cards just fell out. I wasn't even ready to start shuffling. And I'm not going to make this reading long. I just want to see what come out here. Total negligence. Could this be purposeful negligence? And this train derailment. So I'm seeing some things repeating here. Is this saying that there's going to be more train derailments coming? We got this past life lessons. This is talk about repeating cycles. So this is going to continue. This is going to continue. There's something with this. And we have dependencies now. This can be picking up on, I mean, we don't have to take this literal. This is chemicals. This is substances putting out there, causing harm. Okay, you see this, and you have third eye. Someone watching. This is. I don't want to. I'm hearing warfare here. This is about warfare. So this card wanted to come out. This is showing me someone, the negligence. They don't want to be held responsible. They're trying to walk away. Okay, whether it was lack of maintenance or whatever. What they're saying that caused it is because of negligence. Someone not doing their job, not doing what they're supposed to do to maintenance these trains, whether they were told not to do it, whether it was like, oh, they just were purposely not doing it. Mental anguish, depression. Something's not right. There's some things going on. I feel like this is going to be coming out more symptoms, more things coming out in regards to the chemicals that have been exposed. Okay? It's going to start really affecting people mentally. Someone knows. This is negativity, negative energy. There was some type of communication. So was someone told not to do something? Okay? I feel like this is speaking to someone who had knowledge of what was going to happen. Someone was told not to do something, and this train derailment happened. I just want to see what's going to come out of this deck here. I don't even really know what answer. Okay. I want to know, how does the government feel? Is the government, people in power, concerned about environmental? The environment of these chemical spills here. Oh. Got adjudication. Ooh. So I do feel like it's going to be some it could be, this is adjudication. It could be some lawsuits going on. Someone going up to court, getting involved in this. People going to start suing. They should. This is giving me not a great feeling. Now, I know I haven't heard anything about anyone passing away or anything like that, but what about long-term effects? And I asked specifically about the government being concerned. This is not giving me a good feeling about their concern about people's lives. So that's a no for me. We got male, female. We got female energy. This to me is just saying, no, they're not concerned. So this message of concern is coming out. Of course, they're going to put out a message out to the media, to the public, to the world, like, okay, we're concerned. We're going to get to working on this. We care about, you know, our citizens of the U.S. and their safety, which I think is a bunch of crap. Okay, there's going to be more people coming out about health concerns, health symptoms. Okay, you have this bad health here. Can't make this stuff up. Hopefully this is not saying that, you know, I don't know. I just feel like this is going to continue. There's going to be continuous things coming out in this case. They're going to be, this is deep. This is deep. And with this great fortune, this is going to affect a lot of people. This incident, okay, is deeper than just more than just affecting the people that live in East Palestine, okay? This is going to affect a lot more people across other states, I'm hearing. Wow. What I'm hearing is there's a lack of concern because it doesn't affect them. The people at the top, what I'm talking about. It only becomes a concern is when it starts affecting other people. You know, the people that that's running things, if you know what I'm saying. And I hate to say that, but that's just what Spirit is giving me, okay? I'm going to pull, this gives some yes or no energy. Could you show the overall energy with this deck, please? Train derailment. Was it a decision of someone behind that? Negligence. What's the energy surrounding that, Spirit? We got the Ace of Pentacles. This is the yes energy. This was, look at this. You see a hand offering something. This was not an accident. This is what this is telling me. This wasn't an accident, okay? You see the Ace of Pentacles talks about prosperity. It talks about an opportunity. Money and a business investment. However that is taken, no. Manifestation. There was definitely a hand played in this, as why we see this two choices that came out. And with this Empress upright, this is another yes energy. This is saying that there was purposeful negligence, lack of maintenance. Someone told not to do something to affect, I don't want to say humanity. This Empress is about motherhood, fertility, pregnancy, earth energy, femininity. It almost gives me the feeling like warfare, wanting to affect future of creation energy, okay? This could, the chemicals and things of this derailment with the hazardous materials could cause major problems with fertility in women. Oh, this is, I don't even know it. I just keep hearing warfare. Look, and look, we got the Magician. This is straight, you got 3 yeses, straight manipulation, okay? Someone using all their resources to do physical harm. Yeah. And they're celebrating. Someone was given a directive. We got the Queen of Swords. To cause this right here. Pain. Okay. All right. What's the outcome of this situation? People with the rashes and health problems. Will there be more cases of people having health problems from this situation? At the bottom of the deck, we have Four of Cups, apathy, regret, refusing offers, missed opportunities. And this is a yes energy. There are going to be more people coming out about how this situation has caused major problems for their health, okay? Ooh. This speaks to depression. People having headache, mental functioning problems. Look at that. Yes, we got another yes energy. We have the Nine of Cups. Fulfillment. Somebody's wish was fulfilled. This wasn't no accident, y'all. This wasn't an accident. The last card I'm going to pull is about a message to the people in East Palestine. What do they need to do? Message for citizens of East Palestine, surrounding areas, surrounding states. We have the Queen of Wands energy. This is a very powerful energy. Just speaking up at that fire energy. Being confident. We continue to fight for what's right. So messages for all of us out there. It's warfare going on out here, y'all. This is just the beginning. We got to keep fighting. We got to speak up. We can't be afraid and just sit back and allow these things to happen, okay? Use your intuition. Page of Cups, okay? This is sending love, kindness. Let's use our God-given gifts to fight back, to put light, love and light out, to fight this darkness that seems to be looming around, okay? Keep the fight up. We got the Sun card at the bottom of the deck here. Positivity, freedom, okay? We're not going to be victims here. We're not going to allow this foolishness to continue to go on. I know that there's people coming forward, speaking up. We need to continue to do that. Thank y'all so much for this reading, for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you all in my next video. Peace and blessings.